Little curious.
Today we're about to learn the names of cooking utensils and all the awesome things they can do. Let's dive right in. First off, we have the pot. It's like a cozy home for soups, stew, and sauces. A pot can cook up a storm and feed the whole family. For our healthy sidekick, we have the steamer basket. It turns ordinary veggies into tender delights without losing their nutrients. Now meet the pan. It is used for frying and sautéing. With its flat bottom and high sides, it keeps our food dancing in flavors. Check out this skillet. It's like the pan's close friend, perfect for searing meats and creating those beautiful grill marks. And then there's the wok. The kitchen ninja is an expert at stir frying and making veggies crisp and colorful. Behold the oven. It's like a magic chamber that bakes our cakes, roasts our meats, and turns dough into warm bread hugs. Moving on to the trusty baking sheet, it's like a magic carpet for cookies, pastries, and roasted veggies. Say hello to the saucepan. It's like a small pot perfect for simmering sauces, reheating soup, and cooking grains. Now it's time for the griddle. This flat friend is the pancake champion and cooks up stacks of deliciousness in no time. Now the casserole dish. It is deep, shape ensures even cooking, making it perfect for layered recipes. It is great for one-pot meals, retains heat well, and can be used for both cooking and serving. Last but sizzling, we have the grill pan. It gives us those grill marks and that smoky flavor even if we are cooking indoors. And there you have it. You have learned cooking utensils names and discovered the amazing things they can do to turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary creations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating magic in your kitchen.
Goodbye.